welcome back to another video. So today I have got to show you a new dust collector. So I got sent this from, I will leave the website link and everything down below. I can't remember what they're called. So firstly, opening the box, it comes with these. You know I put it on my head. And they are the filter bags. Comes with two of those. Look at this, it's pink. So this is quite clearly a pink dust collector. It's just got one big fan there. And it's got, I thought that was a turning knob thing, but it's not, it's the fuse. So it's just got the one on and off switch there. And there's the fan and power bank thingy on the back. Mine came with a US plug. I'm not sure if that was a mistake. But I have got a socket. Luckily, I have got a socket, so that wasn't a problem for me. But I would check, if you was to buy one, I would check what plug it comes with. So those filter bags, they're elastic, and they went on quite tight actually. I was happy with that. Nice and snug and tight on the back of the fan like that. And that's what's going to collect all your dust. I think they're washable. I would imagine you could just hand wash them. So I'm going to remove my nails today, my left hand, and put this to the test. But what I like to do first when I get a new dust collector is try it with some kitchen roll or something. So I've grabbed a bit of kitchen roll. Guys, let me tell you, this is a powerful little thing. Look at that. So I'm quickly just going to ping all these blingy gems off, because I don't want them flicking in my face in a minute. And then I'm going to snip the length down off these nails as well, and we'll put this dust collector to the test. So I'm just going to file where all these gems have been stuck on. There's bits of caviar beads and a couple of glass shards still stuck in there. So you want to file them off really, so none of that's going to ping in your face. You should wear goggles really for filing, which I never do. But yeah, I'm just getting them bits of blingy bits off, so none of it pings and hits me in my face. Right, so I'm just going to turn this on so you can have a listen. It's really quiet, isn't it? I was really surprised at how quiet it is. So I'm just going to remove, I'll just show you doing one or two nails. I'm using my Melody Susie Jade, and this is just I think it's a ceramic, do you call it a barrel bit? Medium ceramic barrel bit. So I will just quickly show you taking off a couple of these nails. So now I'm just going to use a hand file. I don't like using the e-file to file right down. I'm always scared of catching my natural nails, because let me tell you, it hurts, it burns. So once I've got a thin layer left, I'll use the hand file then to get the rest of it off. And then I will use a buffer just to get the last little bits off. This is Polygel set, so they were quite thick, these nails. So a lot of dust, a hell of a lot of dust. So now I've got all that product off, I'm just going to use this little cuticle bit. This is from Melody Susie as well, and I'm just going to float it over that cuticle skin, that dead cuticle skin. Don't want to be digging it into your natural nails. If you just float it over that dead skin, these little cuticle bits, they will just whip it off. And lastly, I'm just going to use some little nippers because I'm so fussy with my cuticles. I'm going to use some nippers and just get rid of them last tiny little bits that I can see that are white, dead skin. Just going to nip all them off. So that's them, all filed, all buffed, all snipped, all done, all ready for my next set. Nice, I love a fresh manicure. Anyway guys, that's really it for today. I will say I am so impressed with this little thing. Normally with my expensive dust collector, I've got dust on my desk. And with this, there was none. Honestly, there was just no dust anywhere except inside that filter. None. And it's so quiet. I was actually really impressed with it. You can't really see a lot in there because it's all spread out, but it was all in there. It was all in there. I had a little bit stuck to my hand and my e-file, but that was it. My dust and all my surroundings, yeah, there was just nothing there. I'm so impressed with it. So I think I am going to switch this out for my expensive one for sure. The only thing I will say, this is plastic. They've made it look leather with stitching, but it's not. It's just plastic, but yeah, it doesn't bother me. Anyway, yeah, that's it. Just a quickie today. I will leave the website link where this is from. They've got quite a few to choose from, actually. I'll leave it in my description box. Go over and check it out. I'm well impressed with this little one in particular. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.